What did you say?
So if you're going to make a website, and you want to weed out all the crap, in my opinion, YouTube is 3/4 crap, but there's some good things out there as well. You want to weed out the crap, you know what? And do what's important to you. You can't please everybody in the world, right? So, if what's important to you is spirituality, do your things centered around who you are, what you believe in. And if other people don't want to hear about spirituality or whatever's important to you, eventually I believe that they'll come around and they'll be there knocking at the door wanting to come in. I just don't see creating another site that's going to get filled up with useless crap, you know? If it's not something you want your children to watch and learn from...
People that don't have the right hairstyle, they don't talk the right way, they don't wear the right clothes like I do. Look at this. I wear a YouTube shirt. Is that cool? Where is it? Put the logo somewhere there. If you don't wear one of those, you're not with the half of the crowd. No. What it's saying is that you were looking for Web 3.0 quality technology integration. I don't remember what day I was born. I'm too young to remember that shit.